Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to JobSolve channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alerts. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 6 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which country will not allow the use of saliva or sweat to shine the ball once cricket training resume in the post COVID-19 world? So it is by Australia. Australia capital is Canberra and its currency is Australian dollar. Question number 2. India has conveyed its strong protest to Pakistan over an order that country Supreme Court allowing the conduct of general election in which province? So it is in Gilgit Baltistan. So why India has conveyed? Because it is an integral part of India. Question number 3. Which country is going to host the Badminton World Championship 2021? So it is by Spain. So the capital of Spain is Madrid, its currency is Euro, and Badminton World Federation headquarters present in Kuala Lumpur. Question number 4. According to a survey conducted by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, which state registered the highest unemployment rate in the India in April 2020? So it is by Tamil Nadu. So overall, the unemployment rate of India is grow from 14.8% to 23.5% according to CMIE. So in the Union Territory, Puducherry has the highest unemployment rate, that is 75.8%, and in state it is Tamil Nadu, that is 49.8%. So some GK related to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Its CM is E.K. Palaniswamy and governor is Banwarila Purohit. Question number 5. K. Nisar Ahmed, who passed away recently, was a renowned poet of which language? So he was a renowned poet of Kannada language. Question number 6. Ministry of Tourism has host 13th webinar titled Destination Sariska Tiger Reserve of Dekho Apna Desh series. The reserve is located in which state? It is located in Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Ashok Gehlot is its CM and its governor is Kalraj Mishra. Question number 7. The show Ramayana becomes the most watched entertainment show in the world with how many crore viewers on 16 April? So it is 7.7 crore and it is coming on DD National. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as new president, CEO and MD of Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India? So his name is Atsushi Ogata, and Honda was started in 1999 and its headquarters present in Gurgaon, Haryana. Question number 9. Which of the following ministry has launched the search collection on GEM portal? So it is by Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. So who is the minister? His name is Narendra Singh Tomar. Question number 10. Which country will launch first Arctica M satellite for monitoring Arctic climate? So it is by Russia. Russia capital is Moscow. Its currency is Russian ruble. Question number 11. Which state has made it compulsory to download Arogya Setu app for living in hotspot area of the state? So it is by Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Yogi Adityanath is its CM and governor is Anandiben Patel. Question number 12. The Delhi Metro observed its which foundation day? So it is 26th foundation day on 3rd May 2020. Question number 13. Which state has decided to put a complete ban on the purchase of a new vehicle, including car, jeeps, during the current financial year? So it is by Haryana government. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Manohar Lal Khattar is its CM and governor is Satyanarayan Arya. Question number 14. Who has been posted at the Asian Development Bank as Principal Operation Coordination Specialist recently? So his name is Niraya Mitesh. Asian Development Bank headquarters present in Manila, Philippines, and Matasugu Asakawa is its president. Question number 15. Who has been appointed as the Chief Risk Officer of RBL Bank for a period of 2 years? So his name is Deepak Kumar. He will be the Chief Risk Officer of RBL. Question number 16. Who has received the consent of Appointments Committee of the Cabinet for appointment as new CMD of India Renewable Energy Development Agency? So his name is Pradeep Kumar Das. Question number 17. Which of the following ministries has cleared the construction of an additional parliament building, a part of the government's 20,000 crore Central Vista project? So it is cleared by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So who is the minister? His name is Prakash Javadekar. Question number 18. Indians and other foreign health and care professionals employed on work visas across the front line of COVID-19 in which country are set to benefit from a further free visa extension of 1 year? So it is by UK. So UK capital is London, its currency is pound sterling, and its prime minister is Boris Johnson. Question number 19. What is the rank of India in scientific publication globally? So it is rank 3rd. Question number 20. The RBI has cancelled the license of which bank effect from the closed business on April 30, 2020? So it is CKP Cooperative Bank Limited. Some GK related to RBI. RBI was founded on 1st April 1935. Its governor is Shaktikant Das and its headquarters present in Mumbai. Question number 21. Which of the following has developed ultraviolet disinfection tower? So it is developed by DRDO. DRDO full form is Defense Research and Development Organization. It was started on 1958. Its headquarters present in New Delhi and its chairman is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. So what is this ultraviolet disinfection tower? It is useful for high-tech surface like electronic equipment, computer and other gadgets to disinfect. Question number 22. Who has been nominated as representative to the International Bank for, it is written twice, for reconstruction and development by US President Donald Trump recently? So it is Ashok Michel Pinto. Question number 23. The New Delhi government has increased value added tax on the petrol from 27% to how much percent? So it is 30%. Question 24. Which state has launched an app for people from other states who are stranded in the state due to the lockdown and want to return to the native place? So this is done by West Bengal government, and the app you can download it from the state government website, that is EGA Bangla. Some GK related to West Bengal. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Its CM is Mamata Banerjee and governor is Jagdeep Dhamkar. Question number 26. Which country is going to host 2022 World Aquatics Championship? So the host country is Japan. So as you know, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Tokyo Olympics, which is going to scheduled in 2020, it is shifted to 2021. So for that, they have shifted the 2021 World Aquatics Championship to 2022. Some secret to Japan. Japan capital is Tokyo, and Japan currency is yen. So don't confuse with Japan currency, Korean currency, and Chinese currency. So Japanese currency is yen, South Korea currency is Korean Republic won, and China currency is yuan. Question number 26. When is the International Midwife Day celebrated? So it is celebrated on 5th May. So what is the theme of this year? The theme is for 2020, Midwives with Women, celebrate, demonstrate, mobilize, unite, one time is now. Question number 27. Who launched COVID Katha, a multimedia guide to the COVID-19 disease? So it is launched by Dr. Harshvardhan, who is our health minister. So it will provide the authentic information on the global crisis. Question number 28. Which of the following has collaborated with some of the biggest name in the Indian entertainment to put together a home-to-home fundraiser concert for I for India? So this is done by Facebook, and they will give the fund to the support organization, that is Give India, and it will support on ground relief efforts. So Facebook headquarters present in California. Mark Zuckerberg is its CEO and chairman. Question number 29. When is the International Firefighters Day celebrated? So it is celebrated on 4th May. Question number 30. When is World Asthma Day? So it is celebrated this year on 5th May, but actually it is celebrated on the first Tuesday of every year. So this year the Tuesday is 5th May. Last question of the day. Who has assumed the command of the Army Training Command, that is ARTRAC, recently? So his name is Lieutenant General Raj Shukla. So this is the current affairs of 6th May 2020. So answer of yesterday's question is elephant caves located in Maharashtra. So question of today is, in which state is the Indravati National Park situated? So write down the answer in the comment box, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So stay safe at home, be happy. Thanks for your time, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.